Hey there, lovely people. Welcome back to our channel. And today we just want to give you another update, an exciting update on the construction project. And as you can see, or as you'll see, things have really progressed since our last update, because we are at the stage where the finishing touches are being applied and every detail, my God, is coming together to bring out this vision that we have had all along. So we've been shopping, we've been in the shopping. So this particular day, we went to industrial area in Nairobi. And industrial area, we went to shop for door frames, which we got. Man, they're really lovely, and the door frames have been put up. And on the same day, we went to shop for just window shopping for tiles. The what do you call them? The bathroom tiles, the bathroom floor tiles, the tiles, the interior tiles of the entire house. And the tiles, of course, we were doing our window shopping from Mombasa Road, and we identified a shop where we decided that we were going to get our tiles from, because they had, from the whatever they got, we checked at them, and we were happy with what we saw. So a lot of activities have been going on, and that's why I haven't posted for a while, because man, finishing is so damn expensive. Oh man, you really need to really plan, and it really drains you, and it takes a lot of your funds, guys. It takes a lot of your funds, man. So we are doing finishing. Of course, the skim coating had been done, so whatever is remaining is just the final painting, which we had to put on hold so that we could finish most of the things that were done. So of course, we already purchased our tiles, and we are almost starting to put them up. And also the windows, we already identified the window glass that we want, so we put them in due course. The door frames have been put up already, so that is something that is done, and they've already been varnished. So we only need to now go shop for doors, which we'll do maybe in a couple of weeks when tiling has been done, because the tiling that we're going to do, we're going to start with the bathrooms, all the bathrooms first, because we can't do the floor tiles now. Oh my God, the tiles are so beautiful. We cannot do the tiles now because the exterior of the house, that is the compound, has not been work has not been done there yet. So, and it's been raining and it's muddy. So if we decide to put the tiles now, the tiles are gonna be messy, and we don't want to start scrubbing the tiles, at this early stage. So we'll put on hold tiling the floor of the house until we finish, and we figure out what we want to do with the exterior side of the house. So when you're done with the exterior side of the house, that is the backfilling, and I don't know, maybe put up cabros or something, that's when we'll be able to now control the amount of dirt that will be coming in the house. Because now if you decide to put the tiles now and it rains, then, and people are still working on the side. Okay, guys, look at that. The plastering of the wall, the perimeter wall is coming out well. Oh, the molding. Ooh, thanks to this molding, guys, man. They're really putting their all, in this construction, and I really love the work that they're doing. So yeah, so as I was saying, we'll put on hold tiling the floor of the house until we figure out what we want to do with the compound, because the amount of mud that comes out from that compound, guys, when it rains, man, it's crazy. And our tiles are white, the floor tiles are white. We want to make somewhat a white house. This house, the house is going to be white. Even the floor tiles are white, but you'll see them when they have been installed. So as I said, we're going to put it on hold, and the windows we are almost planning to put them up. We're just looking for quotations here and there, but of course we already got a guy that is going to put the windows. So the windows will come up in a couple of weeks, maybe 1 or 2 weeks. And the tiling also will start from the bathrooms. I think in the coming week we are going to start on tiling. And what else? The door frames are up. So what you're really planning on now is the stairs. Gosh, we still don't have stairs. We were thinking about either having glass stairs or just the normal steel rail stairs, but we're still discussing about it. And I know in a week or 2 times, in a week or two, we'll shall have decided on what we want to do with our stairs and our balconies. But for our balconies, we have already decided that it's going to be glass balconies. The only thing with the stairs, because it's a place that will be used a lot of times, we thought that maybe glass maybe it won't be durable because sometimes you want to carry things upstairs, and maybe you can maybe heavy things like beds and all that, they can even knock the glass, and then that gives us another problem. So welcome back, and I know that our next video is gonna be exciting. I'm going to show you around. Maybe I'll give you a tour of the house once again, of whatever has been happening, of whatever has been done. And I hope that you keep on subscribing, you keep on supporting me, and I'm so really grateful for everyone that subscribes, everyone that watches. And let's meet in our next video. And there you have it. This is our dream. This dream home is really starting to take shape, and we are more thrilled, by the way, with the progress. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more updates, and because you're getting closer and closer to the big reveal. Thank you for joining us in this journey, and let's meet in our next video. Bye bye. Adios.